how to create blocks on Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use blocks in Notion to organize your workspace like a pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Notion website. Now log into your account if you're using Google. Just click Continue with Google for quick access. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where all your pages live. Click on any page where you want to create or edit content. Now here's the key part. Click anywhere in the page and type the / key. This opens up Notion's block menu, the command center for building content. Type /text to insert a simple text block, or type /heading to choose a heading level for section titles, or use /to-do if you want to make a checklist or task list. You can also use /bullet, /number, or /toggle to keep things tidy and interactive. Me to embed a YouTube video, file, or image, just type /embed and paste the link. Want to create columns? Simply drag a block next to another, it'll auto-arrange. You can rearrange blocks by dragging them around. Duplicate any block by clicking the 6-dot icon and selecting Duplicate. To group blocks, use toggles or dividers. It keeps things clean and collapsible. The best part, you can even turn a text block into something else later, like a heading or list, just by selecting it and changing the type. That's all for the video.